Congratulations. The next honoree and the last one for today is Charles Dealey, Jr. Charles earned Pride in the Pack Award because he's dedicated and hardworking. He wants to excel and takes initiative to ask what he can do to better himself academically. Charles cares about his classmates and likes to make them laugh, but can balance being a good friend and getting his work done. Charles plays football for the Northeast Colts and brings the sportsmanship ideal into his interactions in the classroom by cooperating, being fair, and supporting others. Both on and off the field, he's a real team leader and a great team player. Good job, Charles.